to start.
Hi, my name is Doug. I work for Toyota of Seattle. Toyota owners commonly ask, what is the recommended Toyota service for their car, truck, or SUV? In most cases, Toyota recommends that Toyota owners schedule a service appointment every 6 months or 5,000 miles, whichever comes first. The maintenance performed during each service appointment varies by vehicle model and year, driving conditions, other factors that our trained technicians evaluate. However, recommended maintenance often includes services such as tire rotation, oil change, inspection of wiper blades, brake pads, and fluid levels. By scheduling regular service appointments and keeping Toyota service intervals to a minimum, it helps to maintain the longevity of your vehicle and can also help prevent maintenance issues down the road. At Toyota of Seattle, we use genuine Toyota parts, ensure the quality and dependability that you trust. Additionally, we keep a record of all your visits, so you don't have to. Bring your car into Toyota Seattle today.